Hi, this is Chanelle, and this is my video post for our second group discussion. Um, Last week's assignment required us to read an outside article titled Police Body-Worn Cameras and the Effects of How It Relates to Discrimination, Complaints, as well as excessive force. That article was very interesting to me because it's a double-edged sword. You could argue from any direction with that. Although the research that they did within that article concluded that once wearing police body-worn cameras that it did decrease the acts of discrimination or harassment or excessive force. Now this week I watched a news story that spoke about the license plate recognition software that the police are trying to institute. From the story, I gathered that a couple of incidents had happened, such as the shooting of the news anchor and cameraman in Virginia, that suspect was apprehended utilizing this particular software. Well, there were two arguments to this particular news story. And one of the arguments was that using the license recognition software is a violation of civil rights. And that part, it just made me think about what we read in that article about, decreasing acts of excessive force and discrimination and things like that. And this ties into that a little bit. With that being said, I'm not really sure I'm convinced that it would be a violation of civil rights. I feel like the cameras are not biased. The cameras don't see color or race or gender. It just simply takes a picture of the license plate, which is free for anyone to see, police or civilians. And so my question to the class is, do you think that this type of police camera, the the license recognition software, could possibly be a violation of civil rights?